I've been coming to Cote d'Ivoire since 2018 for days, weeks, and even months at a time. So while I don't live here, I'm pretty familiar with Abidjan and some of the popular small towns that make great weekenders. And I have to say I quite enjoy visiting Cote d'Ivoire. The people are lovely and the food is chef's kiss. I've also had some very memorable times in this country, not to mention seeing my way live. If you grew up in the 80s or 90s in West Africa, particularly Ghana, and don't know who Mayway is, let me remind you. So when a friend proposed going to this homestay in Assini, a beach town about 2 hours away from Abidjan, the same friend who has shared so many Cote d'Ivoire plugs with me, I said absolutely, and then proceeded to clear my schedule. Full disclosure, I forgot to film the drive to Assini. So close your eyes and imagine a lot of greenery, small towns, some with hawkers, small markets, and some more greenery. If you've been to West Africa, whichever you're imagining is probably correct. We arrived late afternoon in Assini. The property is on the beach side of Assini, so we took a boat to get across. It's quite the delayed reveal because even when you get to the island, you don't see the house. You have to walk another 10 minutes to get there. And because it's isolated, you have to bring enough food and drink for the time you're there. So we lugged tons of food and alcohol. We had help from the staff that manages the house, of course. But because we were a large group, including small kids, we still had quite a bit to carry. The hidden theme continues even when you arrive on the property. Everything is covered with greenery. You can barely see the structures. Like I said, we were a large group that filled all 6 rooms. So while it's not perfectly arranged because I filmed on the second day, it's a realistic view of what the house looks like once you're all settled in. The theme is warm, earthy, rammed earth-colored walls, wood ceiling and floors, bamboo divisions and African masks and other wooden pieces as decoration. The staff would prepare the table for us every lunch and dinner, and there was a cute massage spot overlooking the ocean. So during our stay there, one of the staff was meant to do a little performance for us in the evening. I caught a short video of him practicing, but he didn't actually end up doing it.